sponsors, Rona, Erwin, Howard, Percy, and Venus, Pax and Gina, and Sandy Martinez. We're all living examples. There's no impossible dream with Bruce Kid, and I thank you very much. To Rona, BBF, thank you. You changed my life forever the day you decided to show me this business, and I'm forever indebted to God for making me meet you. To all my partners, sobra, you're all inspirations to me. To Papa and Mama, to my sister and yung mga pamangkin ko, to Daddy Erwin, and to my baby Zach. You give me courage every single day to run after my dreams. And this award happens really because of you. I love you all very much. To God be all glory.
But it's ecstatic to be able to share it with your best friend. Congratulations, BBF. I'm your #1 fan and I love you very much. Thank you, Newsgate, for allowing ordinary people like us to live our extraordinary dreams. Newsgate might not be super easy, but I assure you it's super worth it. To God be the glory.
Congratulations once again to you, Kia and Rona. Our next awardees will be recognized for reaching the 10 million peso mark. Without a further ado, let's all welcome Marlon and Ben Ilagan.